Hi, in this video, we will talk about how you can add your own content within the website. For that, you need to log into your website and then go to post section and then add new post. So this is this kind of interface you will see, and here you can put your title. So let's suppose I am opening up the document you shared with me. So let's see. This is the title. I'm copying the title and paste the title. So this is the title. So don't worry about the subtitle. And let's say the main content. So the main content starts from here. Here's a body. I will copy that all the text from here along with all the settings you have already made and copy the text. So now you need to open up this text area, not the visual, the text area, and then paste it over here. And now if you can visualize it, you will see all of the text along with the settings is here. So let's remove it, unwanted sections, and okay, so now you can see this is an introduction and some keynotes points your on sort of stuff over there. So any of the stuff you can edit, add, delete from here. And even if you want to add any media file from here, so any of the part of the content, so you can upload. Just for example, if I need to upload image from here, like from here, I can just simply enter and then click add media. I can upload the media file like image, video, or stuff like that from the my computer. So I'm not going to do that because we don't have any image right now. And the next important thing is you can choose the relevant category from here, the category section. And so let's say you wanna post that in our blog section. So this is the content, so you will be posting into your own blog. And then the next area is the SEO settings. So if you want to do that SEO settings, so let's so this is a meta description. So you can copy that meta description from here and go to this area, rank math SEO setting, click edit snippet, and here the description you can paste it over here. This is the description, and the next thing is your keywords. So these are the keywords you want to include into your like article. So after that, if you want to have your site name along with the content, so you can do that. But if you don't want to, just simply you can remove this area, this part of the area. So other that thing, you can see like add more description over there, and like make it to 160. So this sort of option will tell you how much more text needs to be added over there. So next thing is focus keyword. So these are the keywords. I copied it and I can simply paste it over here. So these are the keyword or your main focus content already published over here. So the next thing is featured image. This which is the most important thing. So you can just click set featured image either from your library or from your computer. So you can pretty much do that. I'm just like doing that as an example from like adding up this image. And if we anything left behind or not, I think we pretty much do that everything. And yeah, so don't forget to click publish. So this is how you can. So the one thing I need to tell you that if you don't have any image related to your content, so you can do that very much from Pixabay. So this is the website. You can see the spellings and domain name pixabay.com, and then pexels pexels.com. So and so these are pretty much having stock image later, so you can just give it a try over like cryptocurrency, just an example. So you will see lots of free stock copyright free images over there. So you can also get the images from these stock sites. So this is it, and I hope it makes sense and you have learned how to post into your website. Thanks for watching.